Well, I would say this. It is definitely the studio, but when let's say, in terms of painting, but really in terms of just tapping the spiritual, tapping another world, I know the things that get me into like the flow state, if you will, for athletes or for musicians, that state where there's divine harmony, and it's typically it's emotion. It's music is significantly important because it creates the colors, it creates the vibrations, everything that sort of moves here. It's just been, it's opened that portal for me. It's created an ease. Certainly don't know all places, of course. I've traveled relatively small circles in my existence, but what I do know is that as I do open the portal, I know that source is sort of easily found here in the waters that move across the land, in the rock, sort of formation that sits underneath us. This is a geologically really unique spot. It's really, in geological terms, it's we sit at the very edge of a large island that was created when Earth's plates shifted and created the Olympic Mountains. And so this crease of Earth, for me, creates such a grounding place and easy access connection to source.